Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to do the photo swipe trend on TikTok. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you can head over in here on your plus icon. And once you have done this, you should be able to see this right here. So head over and click on this upload button. And then in here, you should be able to see your gallery. So make sure to click on the select multiple right here. Then once you have done that, you should be able to choose the photo that you want or the video instead. So for me, I'll just choose these photos right here that I have. So let me just choose the photos that I want to use. And then once I have chosen them, head over and click on the next right here. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this, and you can actually just swipe in there in order to see what it will look like. Now once you have done this, head over and click on this next button right here. And then in here, you should be able to just post this on your actual account. So let me just post this right here. And then once I have done that, click on this post. And now this will post my actual photo swipe trend. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!